This is a short video, step-by-step guidance on how to use your anti-aging kit for pigmentation and sunspots. Evening routine. So in the evening, please start from cleanser and toner. Please remember to shake a toner. After the toner, we recommend to use a derma roller. If your skin is sensitive, please use derma roller twice a week. If your skin is normal, please use derma roller every other day. We have a special video that shows how to use derma roller on your skin. Remember to also roll around your eyes. It's very important. It will help to eliminate fine lines and wrinkles, and also all the active ingredients can penetrate so much deeper. So after using a derma roller, you have AHA Skin Perfecting Serum. We will recommend to apply 4 to 5 drops of AHA Skin Perfecting Serum directly to your skin, massage it into your face, and then please take a look at your skin and analyze your skin. If you see that you have a little breakout somewhere, you have Silk Touch Acne Stop treatment, and it will help to dry your breakouts throughout the night. So just apply a little bit topically on top of breakout. If you don't have breakouts, please do not use Silk Touch. If your skin is very dry, you can apply Super Berry Cream after your AHA serum. AHA serum need to stay on your skin 15 minutes, start to work, penetrate deep, and then you can apply Super Berry Cream. After application of AHA Skin Perfecting Serum, apply your Nano Bliss Eye Cream. Just take a little bit and tap under the eye and also on top of your eye. And then please go to sleep. Next day, your routine will be slightly different. So next day you will start from cleanser, then toner, and then you will find vitamin A and a little jar that will say HQ. Please use these two products together. So you will take a little bit of vitamin a little bit of HQ serum. You can just put your palm and mix these two products on your palm and just put it on your finger and apply all over, underneath your eye, not on top, your forehead and all your skin. Just massage it really well, and please go to sleep with that mixture. Eye cream you can put only on top of your eyes, but on that area let vitamin A and HQ work its magic and lighten your skin. Just please remember, all these ingredients are very active. Please reapply your sunscreen every 2.5 hours, and please use derma roller every other day when you're using AHA Skin Perfecting Serum. If you have any questions or you would like a consultation, we are available every day from 8 in the morning till 8 p.m. and we will be so happy to assist you.